Hi, everybody. Welcome back to another episode here on April 6th, Tuesday on Blockchain and Crypto Today with your host, Kyle Ellicott. We've got a lot to cover. It's Tuesday, which means news drops around the world. So let's go ahead and jump right in to what all is happening. All right, first and foremost, NBA franchise, the Sacramento Kings are set to offer Bitcoin as a salary option for everyone that works for the entire organization. So not just the players, but the entire organization of the Sacramento Kings. Per the Kings chairman and CEO will now have the option to take Bitcoin as a salary option. All right, and next up, the Mumbai-based Wazrik exchange, the largest in India, has launched a non-fungible NFT platform through which creators can auction their digital assets and earn royalties. Now, this is very important. We know that India has an incredibly strict and also unclear policy around digital currencies and crypto in general. But we know that there's been still a lot of excitement around blockchain-based projects. Where will this go? TBD, but let's keep an eye on this as well. Next up, asset manager CoinShares has launched a new physically backed Litecoin exchange traded product, or ETP, on the Swiss exchange, so SIX. Now, we know that CoinShares also had gone public on the Swiss stock exchange earlier this year, getting a head jump on Coinbase, who today has their earnings call as well in a drop. Coinbase later today will open up their books and show everything that has happened, along with guidance for 2021 being the year ahead, prior to their public offering coming up on the 14th of this month as well. Now, we've got a ton of development news and major launches. Near Protocol has launched its Ethereum bridge, which they're calling Rainbow, for cross-chain interoperability. The bridge will allow for transferring of ERC20 tokens between Ethereum and Near blockchains. Users can take advantage of the faster transaction confirmation times and lowers fees with the bridge. Next up, Tether is set to go live on Polkadot following a launch on its cousin network, Kasuma, very soon. DYDX has launched today live on mainnet. Congratulations to them and their team. Credit Suisse, very large institutional financial on the side, is now testing a blockchain service to settle stock trades in under 2 hours. Again, continuing to watch that thread and dive a little deeper as that unravels as well. DeFi, or decentralized finance protocol, Balancer is set to expand to Algorand. Now, Balancer was built originally on Ethereum, but will be expanding to Algorand very soon. Once launched on Algorand blockchain, Balancer users will be able to create liquidity pools or trading pairs with any Algorand standard asset, ASA, as well. That's tentatively planned for Q3 here in 2021. UNICEF has announced that it will be accepting what it is calling the first institutional Bitcoin donation from crypto exchange Huobi. The exchange will be donating a total of $1 million between Bitcoin and fiat. Now, why this is important is UNICEF has actually done a lot around innovation globally over the past decade, and more importantly, on the venture side over the past 5 years. And last year in June, so June 2020, UNICEF's crypto fund, yes, they created a crypto venture fund, announced the investment of 1,000 ETH, split equally into between 8 startups, so 125 ETH each. The recipients of the startups that received this initial investment came from Guatemala, India, Turkey, Cambodia, to utilize the technologies as VR-driven exposure therapy, blockchain-based government credentials, including voting, along with AI-driven educational activities as well. There were 8 startups, all given, again, the 125 ETH to develop their projects. And so we're now going to see what comes next with this big $1 million investment as well. That's the quick rundown for blockchain and crypto and what's happening today, April 6th, in the industry. I'm Kyle Ellicott. Follow me on Twitter everywhere at Kyle Ellicott for today's news and much more around the industry. Make sure you check out LATOKEN.com. A big thank you to the LATOKEN team and to Maria for making today's episode possible. Also, check us out on VCTV here in just a few minutes as we're bringing investors from around the world to break down these topics along with what's happening in early stage venture capital and also SPACs and a few others. We'll be right back in just a little bit to talk more as well. Take care. Everyone have a good day.